it's scary, especially in Nigeria. Especially in Nigeria. Now the men they mess up quick, fast. Well, let me not generalize, because women too mess up, but it's more because you know Nigeria is everything favors men more. This thing it's
there are three sides.
I'm listening.
Let me
go ahead
with you.
Okay. You give up, Abby. We cannot hear you. Oh my God, what's going on with your network today? Oh, I cannot hear you anymore.
Favors men.
What did you say? Type what you're saying in the comment section. Type what you're saying in the comment section. I can't hear. We are not hearing you. You are breaking again. Let's just continue, Sha. I don't know what you were trying to say, but whatever it is, I shall know that marriage does not favor women in Nigeria. It favors the men. Even divorce does not favor women in Nigeria. Nigeria is more of a patriarchal environment when it comes to marriage, relationships, and everything.